Today, I'll be showing you guys how to paint your toenails glitter silver. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now, I'm going to start by painting my toenails glitter silver. Instagram is in the description below. Check the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. Get to hit that subscribe button. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe,